Okay, hello, this is iSTEM Learn Spelling Workbook, right? Spelling Practice Workbook. So this is the iSPELL 2. This is for grade 2 or primary 2 or basic 2. Now, something important I need to tell you. If you think, if you feel that the the standards are too high for your school, so you could use this for your grade 3, all right, or primary 3. So you can step it down, all right, or you step it up. So, all right, so let's go. Now, remember, it's the iSTEM Learn Spelling Practice workbooks, and they are a series of workbook developed with integration of multiple international curricula with super engaging activities. So here, your children will confidently spell and use up to 1,000 words in the writing and speeches everywhere. Every year. So, there are other activities to help your kids understand and get to interact with the words. All right, so this is the cover page, the cover and the back page. All right, the cover page and the back page. So this is iSPELL 2, it's for grade 2. Now let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, jumped. So this is an introduction page telling you what the book is about and how to use the book. All right, so each workbook has one spelling pattern for a week with about 15 to 20 words to practice with every week. So every week your students will work with the words with the following activities: picture activity, rhyming words, creative writing, spelling tests, um, and writing sentences. So what more can you do? You can create you can use visual aids to help your kids, and other fun activities with the word in your classes. Okay, all right, let's look at this. Remember, um, we have 36 weeks in a session. So this book is for 1 year. Okay, it's for 1 year. They've splitted into the 6 weeks, splitted into three: autumn term, which is first term, then spring term, which is second term, and summer term, which is the third term. So term has each term has 12 weeks. All right, so 12 weeks. Each week has a spelling pattern with more than up to more than 15 words to work with. Okay, so let's look at it. This is autumn term. Now, for example, this is week 1. Let's zoom in. This is week 1. These are words for week 1. The Y sound, E, Y sounding E, bony. So you see, on Monday, the words are introduced. All right, the words are introduced. You introduce the words, you tell the meaning of each word. They get to pronounce the words on Monday, and they get to write the words down here, copy the words. Then on Tuesday, they draw a picture of at least one of the words and write 4 rhyming words. Okay, write 4 rhyming words from the spelling words. And on Tuesday also, write take 2 of the words or more if they want to. Don't limit the creativity. Okay, so it can be more than 2, and they use the words to make sentences. All right, so and they do these activities every week with each spelling pattern and words. So this is for week 1, autumn term. This is week 2, words. This is week 2. This is week 3. So I'm going to move very fast. You can pause the video to view the content. This is week 4. This is week 5. And this is week 6, compound words. So week 7, words. This is week 8, words, week GE. This is week 9, G, letter G sounding J. This is week 10, letter J sounding J. Week 11, letter C sounding S. Alright, they call this soft C, right? Alright. K and N with the N, with the K silent. Silent K words. So this introduces us, this takes us to spring term, the second term. So the same activities, right? Now, I forgot to tell you. So every week, excuse me. So every week, once you practice the words, on Friday, you get to do the spelling test. All right? You do your spelling test and you dictate to your students and they write the words down for each week. So this is week 1. For example, this is week 1, autumn term, first term. And you do the score. And you record the score. We have recording sheets we're going to send to you when you make your orders. So every order will have recording sheets, right? So you record the performance of your students and then you can track their progress. All right, let's go back. Let's start from spring term. Okay, there we go. Spring term. Okay, so this is the words for spring. These are the words for spring term. Week 1. So this is week 2. This is week 3. You can pause the video to view. Week 4. Week 5. Week 6. Week 7. Y changing to IES. Week 8. Week 9. Week 10. Week 11. Week 12. And this takes us to summer term. So you have week 1 for summer term. Week 2. Week 3. Week 4, double consonants. You know, you double the consonants when you add in ing, when the consonant comes after a short vowel sound. The same thing with ed. Double consonant, same thing with er. Same thing with est and y. Right, week 9, week 10, week 11, and week 12. So these are the spelling test pages, so up to the summer term, week 12. So this book will save you from the stress of getting curricular lesson plan and resource for spelling, and you don't need a special spelling program. So yeah, they're using these books for the whole year. All right, so these books are good for you. This is iSPELL 2. All right. Thank you. Bye.